Hey there everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll explore how to add and edit menus on your WordPress site. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in. Alright, first step. Here is a look at our existing menu. Let's dive in. Start by logging into WordPress. Navigate to Customize, then to Menus, and select Main Menu. From here, click Add Items. Let's add an item. We are placing it under Course to establish a clear hierarchy. Take a peek. Voila! There you have it. Tweaking menus in WordPress is a breeze. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back soon with another insightful video. Until then, goodbye.